Hi dear parents, welcome back to another math hour. Gosh, today I'm going to show you another way to solve the system of equations. We did it graphically, we've done it using substitution. Today I'm going to show you how to use the elimination method. This is slightly a little bit more challenging, but it's not that hard. I'll show you how to do this. So here we go. We've got two equations over here. I need to figure out at what point do these equations intersect and what is that coordinate point at which they intersect. That's how you that's how you basically solve the system equations. Now to do that though, gosh, using the elimination method, this is what you're going to have to do. You have to look at the numbers next to, which are attached to the y's, and numbers attached to the x variables right here, okay? And you're gonna have to ask yourself, gosh, is there any of these numbers that we can divide that gives me some kind of answer? Let's try, okay? Let's see. Minus 5 divided by 7. Does that give me any kind of answer? No. How about 7 divided by minus 5? Anything? No, not really. Well, how about the x numbers? 2 divided by 4? Well, no, not really. How about 4 divided by 2? Yes! 4 divided by 2 is 2. That works. So sticking to this equation, I'm going to put a little parentheses around it. 4 divided by 2 is 2, which means 2 times 2 will also give me a 4, right? So how about if I multiply all this by number 2? 2 times 2 will give me a 4, and the x stays with the family. Now, ask yourself this question. Can I eliminate this? That's a positive 4x. This is also positive 4x. I can't eliminate that. They're both positive. They'll give me 8x, and I won't be able to do anything with that. However, if I make this into a negative, then I can do the inverse. Positive 4 minus 4, I can cancel them out. But how do I get a negative 4? I'm going to have to go back to my 2 and make it a negative 2. Aha! That makes sense, because minus 2 times 2 will give me a negative 4. And then I can use the inverse. Look, I'll show you right now. I'm going to do this right now. I'm going to multiply everything on the bottom by minus 2. Let's see what we get, okay? So minus 5y. I'm keeping the top equation exactly the same. No change. Is equal to 49, right? Top equation stays the same, not touching that. And let's get the other one. Let's do this. 7 times minus 2 is minus 14y. Stays with the family. Positive 2 multiplied by negative 2 is minus 4, and the x stays with the family. Minus 23 times minus 2, minus becomes positive, and I'm going to get 46. Let's do some algebra here. Positive 4, negative 4 cancels out, which means minus 5 minus 14 becomes minus 19y. That's good. And of course 49 plus 46 becomes 9 plus 6 is 15. 1 and 4 is 5 and 4, 9. Alright, so let's see if this works out. Y needs to be alone. Minus 19 is stuck to me. Let's get rid of it by dividing. Both sides will be divided by minus 19. Okay. Minus 19 cancels out. The y is free. Woohoo! And 95 divided by 19. You kids can use a calculator. I will use the old-fashioned way. And I will use my brain. And it is minus 5. How about that? So I found out that my y is equal to minus 5. We're not done yet. I need the x value. So I'm going to take another color. How about a green? And I'm going to find a, let's see, how about we use this one, the top one. And I'm going to plug in y is equal to minus 5 right over here to solve for x. I need my x value also. So minus 5 multiplied by minus 5 plus 4x is equal to 49. Alright, minus 5 times minus 5 is just positive 25, plus 4x is equal to 49. Alright, same old straightforward algebra. Positive 25 is in my way. Let's get rid of it with its inverse. Minus 25, minus 25. Cancels out. 4x is free. And 49 minus 25 is 24. 4 is with my x. X needs to be alone. 4 needs to go. Divided by 4 on the left side. Divided by 4 on the right side. Cancels out. X is free. 24 divided by 4 is 6. There we go, kids. We have solved the system equations for these two equations using the elimination method. And we found that the final answer is x is equal to 6 and y is equal to minus 5. And again, what this means is that when I plug in or graph this equation and this equation, they look like this, and the point at which they intersect or meet each other is 6 comma minus 5. And there we go. This is how we use the elimination method. With a little bit of practice, you'll get the hang of it, okay? Again, just check the numbers with y, check the numbers with x, see which ones can be divided and gives you a whole number, not a fraction, not a decimal. If it works, that's what you're going to have to do over here, okay? And that's what you're going to have to check. With practice, you'll get better at it. Thank you.